Kalamilians, we're here at Slate District and they're opening today, but their soft opening is today, May 10, and they'll be soon be fully operational next week. So this is Shane Lua. Shane, tell us about your restaurant. What's Slate District? What do you serve here?
We're serving our special hickory barbecue ribs, pork steak, our bestseller Jack Slate chicken.
You serve sisig now?
Yeah, pork sisig, one of our bestseller, pork sarap sisig.
Yeah, so far those are what they're offering for now for their soft opening, and the price range is only around
160 to 250.
So it's only 160 to 250, guys. So it's very affordable, very delicious. I've tried the ribs, one of the best, only 179 pesos. So your opening promo is?
We're inviting everyone to try our opening promo at 299 for eat all you can pork steak.
Yeah, it's their herb, no? Yeah.
Herb pork steak.
Herb pork. Yeah. So one of the most flavorful pork steak there is, and it's only $2.99 with unlimited rice and one round of iced tea.
Come guys, we're inviting you to come at Slate District. We're open from 10 a.m. till 10 p.m. here at Park Mall Al Fresco.
So see you guys.